Hey everybody, this is Genji Jacques. I play Lucias Goodman in the Sweetest Girl Forbidden Love story. I can tell you that I had a really great time working with this production team because they have exuberated and expressed their care and integrity and professionalism to the staff and crew and all the actors. Very, very impressed. In addition to that, I was very impressed with the Zoom meetings that they had for all of us, just to let us to know what we're going to do in each scene in regards of our rehearsals, and also prepared us and made us feel safe during this COVID-19 pandemic era. Putting up on the signs and making sure our hands are clean and making sure we have our masks while we're shooting this project. I was very impressed, and I thank you for that. This story is a powerful story, and it's a story that's going to open the eyes of the audience. And I just hope the audience will look through the eyes of the character and get a feeling, and feel connected to him, because there's a lot of people who may be going through the same, experiences and obstacles that Lucius and Margaret are facing. And I want the audience to basically get something from this project, as of knowing that truth is important, very important, and that when you hide, hidden secrets from your past, what's in the dark will eventually come out in the light, and it's very important that, a couple is loyal to each other to express their truth and how they feel and what they're going through mentally, physically, and spiritually. And It's a shocker sometimes when you don't express your truth on time, because that person may leave you or may die. And that's what I hope that you will understand. So my name is Genji Jacques. I can't stay too long. Jonathan, thank you. Staff and crew, Samuel, Harry, and everybody else in respective places, thank you. I hope to work with you in the future, because the best is yet to come. Love you long, love you strong. And remember to pray, because prayer changes things. Peace out.